In the modern application development, you might have heard REST APIs, right? It's nothing but representational state transfer. So, how it is going to help? Why people rely on REST API? It's because of few of the you know properties of REST APIs. So it's basically encapsulation of business logic. So business logic, we can consider it as a black box. Why the client needs to worry about what is happening inside, right? It's just giving the exposure to the client uh, with the API name and parameters, understandable parameters. So that's how we can separate out the business logic and the client. And then next is stateless communication. So each request is independent, ensuring scalability and reliability. No session is stored on the server, making APIs easy to maintain. And next comes standardized data exchange. So HTML protocol is used, and then XML and JSON, which is very much readable in a common, simple English. So that way it helps for this. And then security and validation implements authentication, JWT, OAuth, and authorization, role based access control, validates incoming data to prevent invalid or malicious requests. And then comes scalability and flexibility, allows integration with multiple clients, web, mobile, third party apps, can be scaled easily by deploying behind a load balancer or API gateway. Then the last one is RESTful principles for efficiency. You know, uh, it gives a tiny URL, encrypted tiny URL where nobody can decode it. So this way it helps. Stateless architecture improves performance and reduces server side complexity. Cacheable responses enhance speed and efficiency. So I have been developing, I am using, so they're all platform independent. That way it makes easy for a developer to switch on to different platforms as and when there is a need. So if we learn the framework of REST APIs, then it makes easier for us to develop any kind of application and do the deployment.